Whether you're ready to upgrade your hi-fi setup or just started collecting records, investing in a high-quality turntable doesn't mean you have to break your budget. Audiophiles and new vinyl collectors alike have plenty of affordable turntables to choose from, no matter if you're looking for bundles with stereo speakers or versatile automatic models to spin your rare LPs. With easy-to-use features and stylish designs, the best turntables under $200 give music fans everything you'll need to get the most out of your collection. We tested more than 30 turntables over 7 months to find the most comfortable turntable. We've highlighted the 5 best turntables under $200, along with their main features. To aid your decision, we've also provided essential factors to bear in mind. Links to all the turntables mentioned in the video can be found in the description below. For an in-depth analysis and a comparison tool, visit our website at www.crediblepick.com. Number 5. 1x1 H9. Are you a vinyl newbie seeking the simplest and most cost-effective way to get started? Then take a deeper look at the 1x1 H9 record player, which is a practical all-in-one solution. First off, the H9 boasts a sleek, compact design that will complement any room style. Actually, it's a real find for those who appreciate minimalistic and ergonomic design. Secondly, this model is equipped with a belt drive, enough quality electronics, and built-in speakers for fully autonomous sound. I would also note the AT cartridge with a diamond tip and adjustable counterweight. The 1x1 H9 runs at 33 1/3 and 45 RPM and produces a crisp and clear sound. The speakers don't vibrate even at maximum volume. In addition, this model comes with a built-in phono stage, allowing it to be connected directly to your audio system or amplifier without the need for additional equipment or expensive modifications. So the pros? The belt-driven vibration dampening system. Easy to set up and use. Bluetooth. Good, clear sound. Number 4. Vict Troller 8-in-1. The Vict Troller 8-in-1 is a beautiful turntable that would be an elegant addition to your home. With vintage looks, it's stylish, but with the benefit of modern features. It offers a speed belt with 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45 and 78 RPM. You'll find minimum sound vibrations due to its high sound quality. It offers a selection of controls that are easy to use, such as the usual play, pause, and a shuffle option, all fully remote controlled. It also benefits from extra connection options that allow you to connect external speakers for a better sound experience. There is also a connection for headphones if needed. With Bluetooth, you can join it to most modern speakers. The turntable is made with a natural wood case, solid fixtures, and high-quality materials. So if you want a turntable that looks and feels quality, Vict Troller won't let you down. The pros? Stylish vintage look, remote control, strong materials. Number 3. Sony PSLX310BT. Sony might not be the first brand that comes to mind when you think of turntables, but its history in audio products stretches a long way back. The Sony PSLX310BT is a fully automatic, 2-speed, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, belt-driven turntable that carries on from where the decent but unremarkable PSLX300 left off. Sony has given the outdated design of the PSLX300 a much-needed makeover. The new chassis design fits perfectly in the current generation of Sony products and is definitely one of the slickest-looking record players you can buy for under $200. Like the AudioTechnica ATLP60X, this turntable from Sony is a breeze to set up and start listening to records thanks to the fully automatic cueing. The heavy aluminium platter and rubber, as opposed to felt mat, further reduces vibrations coming from the belt-driven motor, giving the turntable good tracking for the price. Its audio quality is comparable to the AudioTechnica, partly owing to the fact that it in fact shares many of the same parts as the ATLP60X. However, the PSLX310BT distinguishes itself by having Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a USB connection, which allows you to rip vinyl records to MP3 and other digital files. So the pros? Easy to operate and set up, attractive modern chassis, stream audio over Bluetooth to your wireless speakers, headphones or soundbar. Number 2. Fluance RT80. If you want a traditional turntable for less than $200, Fluance's RT80 is the only one you should consider. It doesn't have any digital-friendly features like Bluetooth support or a USB port, but those sacrifices were made in the interest of optimizing the RT80's audio quality. This turntable has a solid wood plinth, the turntable chassis, which will prevent vibrations from reaching its needle and causing distortion. If too many vibrations reach the needle, it's possible for your records to start skipping. Fluance complemented the RT80's body with shock-absorbing feet and an aluminium platter, which is light enough to stop straining the turntable's motor. If a turntable's platter is too heavy, it may spin a little more slowly, which will throw off the sound of your albums. Finally, the RT80's tone arm is curved in an S shape, so the cartridge's needle falls directly into the center of your record's groove. This allows the needle to get deeper into the groove, which can improve the way your record sounds. If you're new to turntables, the RT80 may require you to climb a bit of a learning curve. This record player is totally manual, so you'll have to control the needle yourself and lift it up when the side of your album is over. That said, the RT80 has a built-in phono preamp, so you won't need to invest in any special audio equipment to play your records. The pros: premium materials, classic look, built-in preamp. And number 1, AudioTechnica ATLP60X GM automatic stereo turntable. Whether you're just getting into records, rediscovering a record collection long since buried away, or simply adding a turntable to complete your system, the ATLP60X fully automatic belt-driven turntable is an excellent choice. This affordable, easy-to-use turntable plays both 33 1/3 and 45 RPM records, and with its built-in switchable phono preamp, can be connected directly to your home stereo-powered speakers, computer, and other components, whether they have a dedicated phono input or not. An update of the popular ATLP60, the ATLP60X features a redesigned tone arm base and head shell to improve tracking and reduce resonance. Noise is further reduced by the inclusion of an AC adapter that moves the AC-DC conversion outside of the chassis, where its impact on the signal chain is limited. AudioTechnica has been a leader in phono cartridge design for more than 50 years, and that expertise shows in the ATLP60X's dual magnet cartridge with replaceable stylus. The cartridge is integrated into the head shell for assured performance and ease of setup. So the features? Experience the high-fidelity audio of vinyl. Fully automatic belt-driven turntable operation with 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM. Anti-resonant die-cast aluminium platter. Redesigned tone arm base and head shell for improved tracking and reduced resonance. Integral dual magnet phono cartridge with replaceable diamond stylus. AC adapter handles AC to DC conversion outside of the chassis, reducing noise in the signal chain. Built-in switchable phono preamplifier for phono or line level output. And the pros: it's fully automatic, built-in phono preamp, AudioTechnica cartridge. Share in the comments which turntable suits you best and your reasons. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was of help, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content, subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next video.